Welcome back. So in this video I'm going to show you how to turn off two-factor authentication on Facebook. So let's get started. We're going to open our Facebook. And once you open your Facebook app, the first step you need to do is click on your profile picture. Then you click on this J icon settings. Then click on your account center. Then scroll down, click on password and security. Then you can see two-factor authentication. Click on it. And you click on the account you want to enable. Just wait till you can see my own is unable is on already. If your own is not on, you just have to see on here. So I'm just going to put the password there. Click on continue. Now they've sent an email to this place. Just see that it is already on, and that is the process you're going to use to on your two-factor authenticity. Okay, sorry guys, to turn it off. How to turn it off? So that's what you're going to do. Also click on it, then you'll be able to turn it off. You can see. Try another way, and this is it. Just click on continue. Okay, I'm going to show you so once you put the code there, once you click the code, you're going to send it, then automatically you'll be able to turn off your two-factor authentication. So guys, if you found this video helpful, smash the like button, drop a comment and subscribe.